Good morning. A few years ago, my husband and I were lucky enough to take a trip to Tulum, Mexico, and stay at a wonderful resort on the beach. The best part, other than the gorgeous view every morning, was coffee and some danishes that they left on our porch for us. The coffee was absolutely the best thing I've ever had, and I'm not a huge coffee fan, but I've tried to recreate it at home, and I think I have got it pretty much down. It's about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, a little grind of fresh nutmeg if you have it. If you don't, just a little bit of a pinch, and maybe a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons, depending on your taste, of some sort of ground chocolate. It can be baking chocolate, it can be chocolate for cocoa, whatever you prefer. And I also put in a little sugar because I like it sweet. So literally, you're just gonna dump it in there. You can also, if you want to, you can actually brew it with the coffee. And we just add that in. Milk if you want to. I think milk actually makes it a little bit better. It just kind of takes the edge off the spices. And that's it. Just stir it up. You'll notice right away it just has a wonderful kind of slight sweetness, and the nuttiness from the spices is incredible. Enjoy!